Spring always feels like the beginning of a new chapter, the kind where you romanticize your life, reorganize your closet, and suddenly believe you can become the best version of yourself. So today we're cleaning like the main character. If you've been feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or just a little off lately, this is your sign. Spring is here and we're resetting everything. Spring cleaning is something I look forward to every single year. And whether I was back in Jersey in my boyfriend's house or my parents' house or my own apartment, or I'm here in Florida now in my own apartment with my boyfriend, I always loved spring cleaning. And I'm especially excited for today's video because we are doing a deep clean and organization of my whole entire apartment. If you are new to my channel, I moved from New Jersey to Florida back in October, and I feel like it was just a really big adjustment. And don't get me wrong, I'm still adjusting, but I think that's something that really helps me, especially going into the new season, is a good clean and organization. I am somebody who always says a declutter of my space, an organization of my space, and a clean of my space really helps me thrive, and I think that is something that is going to help me peak in the spring. So we are deep cleaning this apartment so much today, and I cannot wait. You guys know me, when I clean, I love to be cozy, so I'm wearing my oversized sweater that says Rainy Days from American Eagle, and then, not sure if you can see, but these really cute pants from Daily Drills, and then just my Uggs, and of course, we need a drink of choice, which today is going to be a crisp Diet Coke. So we're going to start with looking and assessing my apartment. I feel like for the most part, it's not too bad, but there is a lot of clutter and there is things that just need to be put away as soon as possible. So I think I'm going to do a little overview of what everything looks like now, and then we are going to start room by room. I think that's just the best way to do it since I am in a bigger space this year. I think doing room by room and starting with my bedroom is something that will really help me not get overwhelmed. I also can't do this whole entire video in one day. I probably have to do it over the time span of 3 days because I have a lot going on these next few weeks. So I think starting with one thing at a time so things don't get more cluttered and add to my stress is going to be the best case scenario. Let's do a little overview of what I'm dealing with right now, and then we're going to start with my bedroom. Yes. This is what we're dealing with right now. This is the bedroom. Obviously the bed is not made, but there is a lot of clutter everywhere that needs to be fixed. I don't even know what's going on over here. Then we have the bathroom. Again, a lot of mess on the counter and a lot of mess on the floor as well. My hallway is actually clean right now. I do have some boxes over here. That is a return and that we have to get rid of. Then coming in here, we have our guest bathroom. Honestly, our guest bathroom is pretty clean. It just needs to be like wiped down. Then coming over here, this part actually isn't that bad. It just needs to be a little bit more organized. We have to put our drinks away and stuff like that, but not too bad. And then obviously wipe down the mirror. Same thing with the bar cart, not bad, just needs to be wiped down. Now coming over here, again, not bad, just really needs a good wipe down and some fluffing of the pillows. And then same thing for the kitchen. There's just like a lot of clutter everywhere and things need to be reorganized. So that is what we're dealing with. I don't think it's too bad. A lot of just organization within the cabinets, wiping down the surfaces, vacuuming, mopping the floors, and everything like that. We're gonna start with my bed. I think that the bed is like the centerpiece of the bedroom. And I think that every good spring clean starts with a fresh pair of sheets, which I'm actually going to use the same pair of sheets, but I want to wash them. So we are going to start with that and then just decluttering my room. And then we'll get into the wiping down the surfaces of the room. And this blanket were actually just washed a few days ago because Penny, my puppy, had an accident. So these two are already washed. And I just put my bed sheets in the washer. So while that's happening, I'm just going to leave my bed like this. And we're going to do a declutter of like my chair, my counters, and everything like that. just wiped down the counters and organized all of the drawers that were messy in the room. I do have piles of laundry over there that need to go in the laundry, and I separated them into different piles. The only thing I didn't organize is my dresser, because the dresser is both mine and my boyfriend's, and I'm also going to do a whole like closet reset video, so we're going to do that in a different video. But everything's wiped down. I wiped down the windows as well, and now we're just going to vacuum the floor. I have this extra strength carpet odor eliminator. It's supposed to take odors out of the carpet and have a fresh smell, so I'm going to vacuum, but first we are going to sprinkle this on the floor. Whenever I clean, I start profusely sweating every single time. But bedroom is pretty much done, and now we are going to start in the bathroom. I have things everywhere, and I don't even like know where to start, but I think we are going to start with decluttering the counter because this looks insane.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight.
That took me way longer than I thought it was going to for the bathroom, but bathroom is clean and I feel very good about it. After I finished the bathroom, I flipped over my wash and I had to hop on a meeting. So then after my laundry was done, I put the clean sheets on my bed, and there's something about clean sheets and a made bed that just makes the whole entire room feel clean. So my bedroom is now clean, and I think now we're going to start with the living room area before we do the kitchen, because the kitchen is kind of what I'm scared for. It's actually the next day now, and we're picking up this video today because some things came up yesterday. Before I started cleaning the living room, I'm wearing my really cute Dairy Boy matching set, which I think is so comfortable and the perfect material and sweat set to wear when I'm cleaning, because it's that like towel material, so I don't think I'll be sweating and I'm still comfortable. I just took a shower and we are going to start with cleaning the living room. I think that I want to wipe down all the surfaces first and like fluff the pillows and everything, and then we'll get into vacuuming. The living room in general really isn't that dirty, like declutter wise. It's more just like wiping everything down and cleaning off the surfaces.
You pulling me closer, but don't waste your time. Don't have any time for all your empty lies. I used to think that you were only mine, but I was blinded by a shallow light. I'll call your friends, I'll let them know that I'm so done with the tragic boys. Tonight I'll get into my zone. I'll dance until the tears are gone. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love.
Living room is done. I feel like it looks and smells just so much cleaner. I love that like fresh smell of cleaning. I think it's just a sign of a reset and a refresh that the apartment needed. But now we're going to do the kitchen. The kitchen definitely needs a lot of decluttering, a lot of restocking, putting things in the fridge, putting groceries away, wiping down the counters. That's definitely going to be the most time-consuming part, but I think it's going to be worth it.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away.
I take back what I said about sweating. I'm sweating so badly, but the set is still really comfortable. I just finished the kitchen. I would say 3/4 of the apartment is done. I'm just going to now do the bar cart and Penny's area, and then do those floors as well because I'm doing it by section like I said, and then we only have the bathroom left. So coming along pretty good, and let's do the bar cart area.
You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know.
It's a bit later now. I changed into this matching set, and the last thing we have to do is the guest bathroom. I am honestly quite tired from cleaning, but I already feel so much better about being in a clean space. So I'm just going to quickly get this over with, and then we'll be done with our spring cleaning, which I'm so excited about.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay 'cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I ain't afraid of the dark, 'cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind.
I just finished cleaning my whole apartment, and I honestly feel like it looks so clean. I'm so happy that I did this, and I feel like doing it before spring actually comes is something that just gets me really excited for the season and reset for the season. Even though I live in Florida and it's hot, we do get cold fronts in the part of Florida I'm in, and also there's just something about knowing that it's spring that just makes the air feel more springy, if that makes sense. I'm originally from New Jersey, so I absolutely love all the seasons, and getting out of those winter blues is something that really helps me. So I think this was a very good motivation and reset thing that I did, and I'm so excited for all the spring content to come. If you stayed up until this point of the video, thank you guys so much. Here's your sign to do a spring cleaning before spring actually comes. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, comment this emoji down below, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye.